How to turn on or turn off voice access on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then here we tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now in here, tap on voice access. At the top here, there is a toggle button. Just tap on the toggle button to turn on voice access. Now once you tap on the toggle button, go down and tap on the allow button. And it is turned on. Tap on agree, and allow. Then here is a do you want to start listening button. You can tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And here voice access has been turned on. Tap on done. And it's a here the tutorial. I'm just going to close. I don't need the tutorial. So here, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. It's quite easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.